Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to edit watermark in a PDF file using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file. Now I'll edit this watermark. Select Organize option. Now select Watermark option. And select Manage Watermark. And select Edit Watermark option. Add this watermark text option. You can change the watermark name. I'll make it logo. As watermark font style, as watermark font color also. You can change their font style. I will change only font color, this color, and say OK. And font color now change. As watermark rotation, I will rotate it 45. See this, and opacity I will increase, make it 70, and see this. And as scale relative, I will make it 90%. And this horizontal position and vertical position, you can see is this left, this right, and mid center. Also you can say this is unit, and this is vertical top position, this bottom center. Also you can use this logo as background if you click here. Okay. Yeah, and finally select OK and close and see this. Our watermark now says. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment.